think there's a chance na mag-take advantage yung PBNP will be the honeymoon stage of the championship?
Alam mo kasi when a team is a well-oiled machine, kasi na-experience ko rin yun, championship, pero kung alam na nila yung ginagawa nila, they don't need a lot of practice time. Kasi nandyan na yan eh. So, it's hard to say naman we will take advantage of their long layoff. No? Gusto nga, huwag na sila mag-practice, magkita lang sila sa laro. Pwede rin eh. Diba? Pero TNT is TNT eh. Diba? Nandyan na yan eh. Alam nila, magkakakilala na sila. All they have to do is just practice a little bit, get their rhythm back, and be in shape. And then they can play. I've been also in that situation na maski after championship, konting practice lang kami, magkakakilala na sila. Hindi naman nagbabago yung laro. But you still, pero nandyan pa rin yung laro. So, mahirap sabihin na we can take advantage of that long leg of that they had or kasi kakapanalo na ng championship.